All right, so today I'm going to go over how to add a page to Google Docs, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to press play so you can see what this package does, okay? I'm actually using Zapier integration, so I'm going to go to push to Google Docs. That's one of the zips I have. And I'm going to get the webhook URL. And I'm going to copy that, okay? Then I'm going to paste that URL here, and I'm going to call this city Miami, Florida. And I'm going to run that package, and when it's done, it should be in my Google Drive folder. Let's see. All right, I think it finished. Now we just have to wait for it to be done. Cool, so now it's here. So it's ugly, but now I have my article from packages. It's now in Google Docs without even thinking about it. So yeah, how did I do it? First, I added a city and a webhook input, webhook URL. A finish. This can be anything. It's literally HTML, so it can be anything. I put all done. Go to Google Docs to see if it's there. The power of packages is really this right here. You can connect a package to a package, and they talk to each other without even thinking about it. So this is the city page package that I made, and this is a package that I made for pushing to Google Docs based on a webhook. So yeah, I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, see you later.